looking like I'm from a nap because I was on a nap. I waited for the rain to stop, and there's a 1 hour window for the rain to stop, which is right now. So I will do another walk. I already took a shower just to feel better after that rain. And now we're going to this blue church, as they call it. It's already closed, but I just wanted to see it from the outside because it looks very interesting. So let's go. One thing that you should keep in mind when visiting Bratislava at the middle of springtime is that it rains every time. What I mean with every time is that it would rain and it would stop, and then it looks like it's not gonna rain anymore, but give it a few half an hour or an hour, it would rain again. So during times wherein there's windows that are not raining, I made sure that I was outside enjoying the views and the architecture that is visible on the city, and it's very beautiful as it is a combination of different styles and cultures. After a 15-minute walk from my house, which includes a lot of alleyways that I didn't know are actually roads because, well, Google Maps told me they are roads, we arrive at the Blue Church, and it's really blue. The Blue Church has its names, of course, because it's the color blue, but officially it's called the Church of Saint Elizabeth, and it's designed on a what they call Hungarian Art Nouveau style. The scene that you're seeing right now is the city center, or some people call it the old town of Bratislava, on a Friday night. So it's around almost 9 p.m. But as you can see, there's really not much people on the city. But it actually adds up to its beauty and character that gives it a capital city. But at the same time, the vibes is very chill, very quiet, very dim, and people are actually just having a quiet time. No tourists that are too noisy and all of that. And this one is probably the most iconic statue, can we call that? It's called the Man at Work, and it has been a symbol of Bratislava for many people, and tourists take pictures of it. Of course, I have one as well. Now is the time to say goodbye to Bratislava. I still have an hour, but I decided to go directly to the train station and just wait there because it is gonna rain again. But overall, it was a very good visit, and I was able to meet a few nice people. And at the same time, see the beauty of this small city. It's not a big city, I know, but it's very much worth visiting. But as my friend Rodan said on the train, he told me that if ever I'm gonna come back to Slovakia, I must go to the mountains and not just here in the capital city, because a day is enough to see most of the things here. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do next time, and I'm very, very happy that I did this trip because, yeah, it's not that far from Budapest, and if ever I would have went directly to Vienna, it would just be an hour away. So everything was really, really good. Everything really went well, and I hope you guys enjoy everything that I have shown in this episode. So right at my back, you can see the presidential palace of Slovakia is where the president, of course, lives. And it looks like there's an event inside, but everything's closed, so of course we cannot get in. And yeah, but let's take a closer look. It's very simple, like a Slovakian building. Slovak building. You see it? Yeah, so it's a very nice day, very cloudy. I mean, of course, for other people this is not nice. It's very gray, but for me I like it because I still kind of don't like the sun. But more and more I appreciate it the more I stay here in Europe. But yep, everything is very nice. It's springtime, so as you can see, all of the flowers are blooming. And so are we. Yep. So let's stay a little bit more on the park, I guess. Slovakia and going back to Hungary now, and it's very nice feeling. It's very nice feeling. So it's time again to say goodbye, but this time from here in Bratislava, Slovakia. It was a very fun trip, very short, but as my friend Rodan on the train told me, it's very much enough for one day to see Bratislava. It's a small city, but it's never short of nice things to see. But yeah, the next time, as he told me also, I should better visit the mountains and the other parts of the country so that I could really enjoy more. But as for now, I already enjoyed it. The hostel was amazing. It was my first hostel experience, and it wasn't really bad. It's actually good. I know I just got lucky because the people that are with me on the room are actually very quiet as well. So it was a very pleasant experience. Yep. So I'm leaving you guys now. And again, if you got the chance to visit Slovakia, I really much recommend it. I never took any public transport, to be honest, because of the location of my hotel is very good at the center of the city. So I guess that's it. Again, thank you very much for always supporting me on all of my videos. I know it's just simple videos, I just collage it every time, but you still watch it, and I thank you for that. It means a lot to me. So that's it. Stay safe, stay healthy, everybody, and I wish you a great day. See you next time. Bye bye.